Hi, I am Marco, and today I will speaking about MikroTik Netinstall and the new RouterOS firmware version 7.13 and the next. First, who I am Marco Boschini, and I am a trainer in CorsiMikroTik. It is a training center in Italy, and if you want to meet me, the next opportunities is in Prague on the MikroTik Professional Conference from the 7 to 8 March. Okay, if you want to meet me, I am here. I am a speaker in this event. I put in the comment the link about this event. So today I do the Netinstall. This is a virtual machine. What you see is a virtual machine that I've created to resolve a trouble with Netinstall, because Netinstall requires to disable all the interface. You must enable only the interface that you can use connected to the device. For example, if you have a wireless and Ethernet, disable the wireless and enable only the Ethernet. And you must put an IP address on the Ethernet interface to make possible the traffic forwarding. If you don't set an IP on an Ethernet interface, the traffic or broadcast cannot forward on this interface. In this case, I have some customer with enterprise PC with some rules such as antivirus, firewall, and other rules. And they don't do the Netinstall with this limitation, and I created this virtual machine. It is a Linux Debian based. It is a Antix Linux distribution. It is constructed on the Debian. You can use apt to install other packages, for example, and you can download this virtual machine from my website, CorsiMikroTik. This is the free course. You need to register on the site, and you can download this virtual machine, and you can run this on VirtualBox. Is an open source emulator hypervisor type 2. So in this virtual machine you can have some tools such as Winbox pre-installed with Wine, and the Dude client, Netinstall, Wireshark, and some easy configuration such as DHP or static IP with the subnet 192.168.188.254 or null without address. This is a space bar. If you resize your desktop, you can set info box the bar on the right sides of the desktop. Okay. Now I open the Winbox and I check if I am online, if I can reach the MikroTik. On the device, under the network, I set bridge and I select my Ethernet USB interface, and in the advanced you must set permit all and connect the cable. Okay. In this case I can't reach my router. One nine two one 168.188.1 connect. Network is unreachable. Okay, now it's visible. The question, the trouble is this: I put my PC in standby and I resume from standby, and in this case sometimes the virtual network from the virtual PC, virtual box cannot reach the device. You can fix this rebooting your virtual machine or force a connection from this Ethernet virtual interface. Okay, now I reach the router and I password. No, this is the problem. Now I reboot the virtual machine. From the menu, reboot. I don't cut this part of my video because it's a troubleshooting, and troubleshooting is the most important skill that you must have to resolve problem, to see the problem, to fix the problem. If you don't go through the forward the trouble, you cannot create your own skill about troubleshooting. Okay, it is a most important part, and many students that see my video tell to me that it is very interesting part when I made some tips or made some action to resolve the trouble. Sorry for my English. I'm still learning. I am learning in English. I made this video to practice my English. So check the Ethernet connection. Now the router is reachable. I received the MikroTik Neighbor Discovery Protocol, and now I do the login. Okay, with reboot you restore your network connectivity from the virtual machine and the physical device. It's very important to understand. So this is the default configuration, and I must set the password, new password. Okay, I have a router with version RouterOS 7.12.1, and it have the old wireless packages, Wi-Fi Wave 2, Wi-Fi Wave 2, and now I am going to system packages to update the packages with Netinstall. And if you upgrade your router via system packages and updates, RouterOS install the new wireless package. But if you upgrade your router via Netinstall, you must add the wireless packages, or if you don't add the wireless packages, the router starts only with the RouterOS packages without your wireless card. This is the point. Okay, now I do the bad upgrade and forward the correct configuration to see you the difference. Okay, now I open my Wireshark. With Wireshark I can see when the router start the net booting parts. Okay, I apply the filter. It is a filter that restrict the traffic only for UDP port 5000 and UDP port 767 and 68. So I open the Netinstall, and I just downloaded the file to upgrade on the directory. I have downloaded. I have the package RouterOS 7.13.4. This is only the RouterOS package. I don't have the wireless packages in this case. I downloaded only the main packages. This is the question. This is the trouble. Okay. I put the device on the Netinstall mode. I remove the power cord. I press and stay pressed the reset button, and I attach the power cord. And I still press my reset button. Now the LED user is blinking. Now the LED is fixed, is not blink. Now the LED user go off. Okay, but the problem is here. I used the Ethernet 2, and for Netinstall you require to put the Ethernet cable on the Ethernet 1. Okay. During the recording my video, I don't think to change the Ethernet, and now I press the reset button. I put my power cord. I power on my router. The LED is off. The LED now blink. The LED now is on and not blink. Okay, now the LED is off, and and now the router appear on the Netinstall. Okay, it's very relaxed to use this tool to do Netinstall. Okay, now I select the directory where there is only the RouterOS packages without the wireless. I select the RouterOS. I do the upgrade. It's very fast. Okay, the upgrade is done. I select the cancel, and now I move the Ethernet from 1 to Ethernet 2, because with the default configuration the Ethernet 1 is the one area network interface, and the connection from Winbox is not allowed on 1. Okay, I select the device without password, connect. Now I have the RouterOS default configuration pop-up, and the first step, password. I completely reset my router without keep the old configuration. Now you can see that there is not the wireless interfaces. We have lost the wireless capacity from the device. In system packages, there is only the RouterOS packages without the wireless packages. This is the question, okay, for the bad upgrade action that I've made. In this case, I redo the same upgrade, but with the correct packages, and in this case I will show you how to put your router in Netinstall mode without the reset button, but from the Winbox. In system packages, in system router board, in the settings menu there is a field, boot device field, and you can select NAND. If fail, then Ethernet if you want to start from the NAND. But if you want to start from the Ethernet, you can select try Ethernet once, then NAND, and the router search the Netinstall before the NAND boot. Okay. I select these. I recheck resource. No, system router board setting. Try Ethernet once, then end. Okay. Now I reboot my router. I have already Netinstall opened in the second desktop. I reboot the router. I move my Ethernet from 2 to 1. Okay, it's very important. I close the Winbox and I move on the Netinstall desktop. And I attend the router to appear. The router appear. Now I select the correct downloaded all packages are 64, and I select the correct packages. In this case I select Wi-Fi Qualcomm. QCOM is a Qualcomm for AX device, and the RouterOS is selected by default, the RouterOS packages. Okay, when you select a packages, the RouterOS packages is selected by default. I select the button install, and the installation start. You can see from the WireGuard, Wireshark, the communication, and now the communication is finished, and I select the cancel to release the router from Netinstall. And now I open my Winbox on the second desktop. I move the Ethernet from the Ethernet 1 to the Ethernet 2, and in some second the router appear. Okay, I want to see you all the step from the mistake, from the bad step to the correct step to upgrade your device. Please this lab in your lab with the relaxed situation, and not do this upgrade on your customer, because if sometimes go wrong, you need to restart from the first step without your customer near your hair, in the wrong situation. Sorry. Now I do the login and set password, and in the Wi-Fi now there is the wireless interfaces, and in the system packages you can see your correct packages, RouterOS and Wi-Fi Qualcomm AX packages. If you have previous packages, wireless, Wi-Fi Wave 2, sorry, and you have some configuration, and you upgrade your router via system packages, your configuration were moved in the new package. Okay, if you restart from the Netinstall and you cannot keep all the configuration, you restart from the default, from the out of the box router situation. Okay, Thank you for watching. Sorry for my English. I train myself about creating video in English to have a speaking in Prague. If you go to Prague, you can meet me in this event. It's a great opportunity to meet me and to for me to meet my follower on YouTube, or from my user on YouTube, or from or to meet other people to love MikroTik device, RouterOS, Winbox, and this technology. Okay, thank you for watching. Please like if you enjoy my video, and subscribe to my channel to receive the notification when I made the next video. Bye.